Infected. What map are we at? Stormfront. This is Stormfront.
What does this say? No food, drinks, or
Cell phones. Why no cell phones?
Screw you, sign. No.
Registration.
Hi, registration. No.
Someone's already dead. Oh my gosh. I would have laughed.
Lunatics. I better keep this on. 1, 2, 3. Jenny's gonna die. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I didn't kill him. I know this. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? 1, 2. I'm coming for you. 3, 4.
Shut your mouth.
God dang it! Stop it! You're dead, bro.
If you would have been playing Advanced Warfare, you could have just brought back the spike ball and killed him.
Not playing Advanced Warfare.
Backstabber. I know. Ha!
You cracker.
I just said backstabber. You got stabbed in the back.
You cracker.
I ain't a cracker.
Was talking to that guy that killed me.
Oh.
He was a cracker.
Are you being racist?
No.
Yes!
Shut up.
I would hide in the tall grass waiting for my prey to come.
Why? There's a grenade for him.
I am waiting for my prey to come to me.
Aiden, I'm not... Any video that you talk like that in, I'm not posting.
Fine.
I asked you to be quiet. How come I can never get to throw a grenade?
How come you gotta talk funny?
I'm the YouTuber, not you.
That makes no sense.
Yeah, it does. If you watch any Markiplier video, anybody like that.
Your team. Not your team.
Oh my god! You cracker. You big, fat, black cracker.
Wait, what?
You heard me.
Why are you calling
Fat,
a big fat
black cracker?
What? It's a cracker molded?
I'm not posting that video.
Fuck you.